On a mission to provide the products that will bring confidence to people, allowing them to use the human touch again, this woman-owned company offers safe and non-toxic sanitizing and disinfecting products that stop germs and viruses that spread disease. Offering products proudly made in the USA, their unique molecular formula provides superior long-lasting protection against illness and germs and is safe for use in the home as well as commercial and industrial applications. Join us in Bayville, New Jersey and meet Microbe Solutions.
Microbe Solutions is a manufacturing company that produces a unique hand sanitizer with a long-lasting and silky smooth feeling at the end. Our brand name is Common Sense Germ Defense.
What makes Microbe Solutions products so special is the thought process and the formulas that go into it. It's what our consumers tell us. They love our hand sanitizer. It's our showcase product. It goes on nice and smooth. It's not a gloppy, gooey, sticky, messy gel. It dries quickly. It doesn't have an offensive odor. And at the end, there's a silky finish that lasts all day. That methodology and thought process goes into our entire family of products that we offer. The benefits of the technology that's in Microbe Solutions products is showcased around our molecule. The molecule bonds to a surface, and when it bonds to a surface, it remains there till it's abraded away. This molecule creates a microscopic spike or pin, and if you think of a pathogen as a water balloon, when it comes in contact with that pin, it bursts it. That is the unique technology that's in our product. In Microbe Solutions, we offer a full range of products. We have our world-class hand sanitizer. We have a personal care line that includes a foot care, a wound care, men's and women's personal hygiene, an automotive product that we call Prevent, and our Common Sense surface coating. Combined, that family of products is about who we are as a company, and that is allowing human touch. In the world today, we're facing flus and pandemics. We're fearful of shaking hands, opening doorknobs, and just living life. The Common Sense family of products are developed to ease that fear, to allow human touch. Our hand sanitizer, world class. It's a product that once you use it, you will want to use it. You won't feel like you have to use it.
Back in 2020, when everyone was so concerned about germs, I was flying back and forth to Florida to be with my parents. I was on the planes, I was in Ubers. I was with my parents. I would come back and I would work. And I felt so safe using this product. It didn't dry my hands out. It kept me protected. And to this day, I still use it. And I'm very grateful for the product.
We get people back out there shaking hands again, hugging again, kissing again. We're so proud of that. That's why Microbe Solutions is one of the world's greatest.